Hello friends, hope you will be fine. Today we have Apple MacBook Pro. We are facing the problem of dead battery. So today I will tell you how to make it alive. First of all, we will open its screws. I am using a special star screwdriver. I will open them one by one very carefully. As you see, we have removed all the screws. So now you see it carefully how I remove its backlit. We have to slide back a little bit and then the cover will be removed. It's a little bit tricky to remove the cover. So it's open now. You can see okay, here I will tell you to remove the battery terminals. First we have to remove these two screws. This is the main battery bus or connector connecting to the main board. Keep the screws at the right place so that you don't forget to attach them back at their exact positions. Remove the lid. Use the tweezers. Okay, we will use a small piece of tape so that this terminal bus should not be short circuit or make short circuit with the body. Now there is another strip connected to the board. This is the small one. You can remove it easily. It's just like the keyboard. Okay, here are the battery terminal points. Okay, as I have checked the battery with multimeter, battery is showing very few volts, so we will charge it externally. The MacBook adapter is not able to charge this. Use the soldering paste to desolder the joints. These are the positive and negative terminals of the battery attached to the main board. First we will remove the positive and negative terminal from the board. You will be thinking that why we have done this. Because we will charge the battery with an external charger or adapter. I will use the Dell laptop charger that will be giving out more than 15 voltage. So to save the main board from higher voltage, I will detach the battery from the main board. We have to remove the terminals very carefully. Okay, use the tweezer. I have removed the first terminal, the positive terminal. Now I will desolder the negative terminal. Okay, we have removed the both terminals of the battery from the main board. Okay, I will attach now two wires with the terminals of the battery, a positive one and the negative one. Solder the other piece of wire with the negative terminal and the previous one, red one, with the positive terminal. Okay, now we are able to charge the battery with external adapter. We will check the voltage with the multimeter. Select the voltage knob. We will check the polarity of the terminals also. So the battery is giving 10.5 volts. After fully charged, it will give us 11.5 or 12 voltage. This is a normal laptop adapter. The adapter is giving almost 20 voltage or 21 volts. Remember, the inside of the knob is positive terminal and the outside body is the negative. So we will connect the positive wire with inner side of the connector and the outer with the outer one, and the black negative with the outer body. I have checked the polarity. This red wire was connected with the negative terminal and the black one was connected with the positive terminal. So I have inserted the black wire, which was the positive terminal of the battery, to the inner side of the adapter charger. To make sure that the wires are getting voltage from the adapter or charger, we will verify with the multimeter. As the adapter voltage are higher than the normal voltage, so we will keep on checking that the batteries should not get hot. Okay, we will charge them only for 10 minutes because there is no charge controller connected right now. So the batteries might get damaged. Okay, after 10 minutes we have removed the charger. Now we will solder back the terminals back to the motherboard, to the main board. Remember, connect the terminals at the right position at which they were previously connected. Okay, both terminals of the battery are soldered back at their previous positions. Okay, connect the small strip and after that connect the bigger strip. Also attach the two screws back to their position. Now friends, we will power on our MacBook Pro. Okay, the battery is back to life and our MacBook Pro is working now. It's having a screen problem also. So the system is back to power.